Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to have a mystery unboxing for you guys to check this one out. My son bought this but just got the package and I didn't ask him what did he buy or whatever, but I checked on the label. It says NotreShop.com, so I Google it and I'm guessing this one must be the Converse that's collaborate with the Golf Lifer OX in I'm not sure what colorway is this one, either the barely blue Patriot or the blue black. So let's go ahead and then dig this in and check them out. So yeah, it is shoes. Oh my god, so maybe it's not. It's a Adidas box. So I thought that was it, but that was the sold out item, so I figured that was it, but I don't know. Let me see. Hopefully there's no invoice. There's invoice in there. So this one is the Adidas Young one in cloud white, size 9, cloud white slash green color. So I guess he must be sick and tired of the Converse then. Let's see. Let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. You got this big Adidas logo brands right here on the left of the box, and then you got the 3 stripes. So it says the brand with the 3 stripes, Adidas logo on top. So you can already see the bottom. It's a size infos, centimeters, French, English size, American size, American woman size, Japanese size. And then here is the size with the description and then style number and then the barcode. Made in Vietnam. So I guess they move away from China because of the tariff. Let's go ahead and check this one out. So the tissue box, it has Adidas yellow logo, light yellow. So here it is, guys. Young-1. So you got the 3 stripe right here. It is almost like a Gucci green color, and then you got the navy. I think this might be reflective if they try to copy the 700 series, the Easy 700. Let's see. Got this nice leather suede wrap around the toe box area, and then on the side and on the back got the heel cup. Not sure about this navy material. I don't think that's suede. And you got this mesh, almost like a mesh material right here. And on the top of the heel cup. And right here as well. And then right there, mesh. And then on the tongue, you got the Adidas in that's embroidery, okay? Embroidery stitching. And then on the insole, you have Adidas, the 3 brand with the 3 stripes again, and then in different languages. And you got your size label right here. That's the manufacture date, September 2018. So check out this also right here. It's a torsion system. Then you got this Adidas. It is pretty grippy. Got the green on some part also right there to match with the top. And then you got the navy fabric accent right here. Let's go ahead and check out the other shoes. Man, it is, look at it, it's black. Not sure, it's probably from the manufacturer or whatever when they put this in. Hopefully my son didn't think that I dirty it, so I got this video to prove it. So, got this white midsole right here. It is kind of cushion, almost like the ID print, but a little bit harder. So as you see, you got a couple of the block spot here too, or just one. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the flash now and see if there's any 3M reflective. I'm not sure it's here or not, or over here. Might be over here. And this pretty padded right here, cushioning around your back of your foot, or around your sock line actually, with this thick tongue. So let's go ahead and turn on the flash and then see if anything reflect. By looking at it, I don't think any of the spot is reflecting. Nope. At first I thought these two were gonna be 3M reflect, but I guess not. So let's go ahead and get a try. So let's go ahead and put it on feed for you guys to check it out. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and drop a comment, see if you guys cover any of this pair or different colors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.